Friends, good afternoon. The first two things to have happened in our country, had they have not been happened, the country have gone miles and miles ahead in terms of economic development, in terms of technology development, and research and development. Those two things are, I shudder to say, one is Bollywood proliferation, and second is too much of cricket. See, what is the fun when our children and our people, our youth, they are trying to seek careers in Bollywood industry, just dancing and theatrics and all these things. Are they going to make the career, and are they the right platform to provide you career when country needs tremendous amount of technological talent and R&D and all these things in the current scenario? Well, those people have this kind of sports and entertainment, like Hollywood is there, like all football uh, game, which are giving tremendous amount of money to the each player, but they have already had their development. See their lifestyle, see their cities, see their towns, and see their entire ambit of economic development and technological stride they have made so far. They are governing the whole world. And bloody, we are just, got stuck with Bollywood and cricket. And who are benefited? Only few people. In Bollywood, few names are there who have crores in their hands and they are enjoying life and in luxuries and all that. And bloody poor people, they are trying to imitate them and trying to reach their positions. I mean, why? You must educate yourself. Each parent must understand that their kid must get maximum amount of quality education, even by running for one course meal. This is the way to go ahead in life. If you educate yourself, you will not be able to suppose find any nook here. You can go outside and make your career. People are there waiting with open arms to greet our children, our educated youth, to have them their part of scheme, and they provide citizenship and all equal rights. So my point is, why people are seeking for careers in Bollywood and bloody the entire ancillary industry, like small screen uh, scenario, and then all offshoots professions like dancing and singing and all these things. Why? We need proper economic development, and for that we must have proper educative platforms, universities, colleges, vocational trainings, and people must go in droves there and make their career. I mean, what is the fun when people clap and few people go millionaires and billionaires and trillionaires? Likewise in cricket also. Cricket, see, I mean, few people are benefited, but what about the rest? They spend their time clapping over boundaries and sixes and all these things, falsifying their, bad situation in the social circuit. Rather they must come out of this mess and start educating the children themselves and try to find slot in the system. if they get the right slot through right education, country will prosper, country will go ahead. This is a kind of a capitalism we have been making since ages that benefits only few and rest are still living hand to mouth existence. So please, if we change our stance sooner, the better it would be for us. Otherwise, we'll be pestering this abjectness and poverty and helplessness and wretchedness and destitute. I'm afraid to say. Thank you. Bye.